You can use the search bar in Microsoft Teams to quickly find teams, channels, conversations, and more. In this video, we'll look at performing a search, browsing and filtering our search results, and finally, removing search items. To perform a search, go to the top of Teams in the center of the page. Now click inside the wide search bar. If we have searched for a term before, Teams will suggest it below. Now I'll begin my search by typing. As you type, Teams suggests more content that includes these characters. Suggestions include teams, people, apps, and commands. So I'll finish typing and then I'll hit enter on my keyboard. Or I can just click search for this word just under the search bar. We have now completed our search. Now let's look at browsing our results. On the left side of the screen, we can see a pane that contains all of our results. We can see the word we searched for is highlighted among these results. At the top of these results, you'll notice three tabs: Messages, People, and Files. We can click any tab here to help narrow down our search. Now I'll click in the Messages tab again. Here I'll click the first result. Since this result is a post in a conversation, I'm directed to the channel and team that it was published in. To the right of the tabs, above the messages, we can see a filter icon. This allows us to apply filters to our search to narrow down our results. We can browse by subject, date posted, which team it was posted in, which channel, and from which person. After adding some conditions, you can click the filter button at the bottom to filter the results. So I'll add some conditions now. Under the From Person option, you can also select whether you want to filter by messages that have mentions and attachments. So I'll leave these both blank for now, and now I'll click Filter. And as we can see, one of the messages that did not meet these requirements was removed, and thus our results have shortened. So now let's go back into the filter. If you have entered certain conditions, you can clear them by pressing the Clear button. And now the original results have returned to us. To remove a search term from the search bar, you can simply click the small X on the far right of the search bar. Clicking the search bar again will once again show us any past search results. To exit the results page, simply navigate to another page on Teams. And that is how we can easily perform a search and browse and filter our results using Microsoft Teams.